Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a couple of unboxings, neither of which I purchased myself. One of these unboxings is from this company here. If you watch luxury channels, you're probably familiar with this company, Rose Forever. They're a company from New York, and they sent me a little something and a discount code for you guys. All right, the first thing I'm going to show you is the bouquet that Rose Forever sent me. Now, if you watch luxury YouTubers, you will be familiar with this brand because they do often send their lovely bouquets to influencers and luxury YouTubers, and I am just really proud to be working with them for a second time. The last time they offered me a bouquet was 2 years ago, and that bouquet, I ended up gifting it to my niece, and she still has it in her home. You guys, these things really do last forever. Well, maybe not forever, but for a super long time. So I had originally requested a heart-shaped bouquet for Valentine's, but they were out of them, and that's fine. I chose this gorgeous marble look box. Here you have their logo right here on the front, Rose Forever. These are 100% real roses, you guys, and they smell divine. I can smell it even with the lid on the box. So I chose this beautiful black, as I said, marble look because this is a beautiful keepsake for later. So I'm going to take the lid off and show you what I chose. I think this is absolutely fabulous. So I chose this to sit on my coffee table in my living room. I just love black and creams and whites, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I will sit it proudly in my living room. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for sending this lovely bouquet to me. I will enjoy this, and you guys, it absolutely has the most beautiful scent. It smells like fresh cut roses right out of your garden. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. So I thought I would just read off a few points about this company. It's really close to Valentine right now, but I would also say it would be a beautiful gift for a Mother's Day, an anniversary, a birthday. It doesn't have to be a significant other. You know, it could be for a graduation gift. This is a perfect gift for just about any occasion. So Rose Forever is a company based out of New York, as I said, born in 2019, and they make luxurious rose boxes of 100% natural, fresh roses. Look how beautiful. At some point, I would love to have that heart shape, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually thinking about getting another one for my kitchen, and you don't have to just sit them like this. It would be beautiful like this. I might put it in my bookcase. I think this would be really pretty in my bookcase. They use natural oils to preserve their roses, no chemicals at all. Natural oils. And I think the quality of these bouquets are exceptional. And also, they are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. They come in round, square, and even the heart shape that I spoke about. And the heart shape are beautiful. They're all beautiful. Okay, so they also deliver worldwide. I think that's important to know. It's not a US thing only, worldwide. I do have a coupon code for 20% off their boxes. Please check the description box for the website and for my coupon code. I may use my own coupon code because I think my mom would absolutely love these, you guys. Absolutely lovely. So if you can't think of something beautiful to give someone that you love and care about, this is something that, it's not like you go to the florist and you get a dozen roses and they're gone in a week. These last for a really long time. Like I said, the ones that my niece has, I asked her about it the other day because I knew this box was coming, and she said, oh my goodness. She said they don't smell like they once did, but they still look just as pretty. And she said there's a tiny little speck, a little brown speck, and I literally got them 2 years ago. So that is a testament to this company and to the quality of their beautiful roses. So please do check out the description box and use my coupon code. I might as well show you my bag of the weekend. Is this not the most beautiful Louis Vuitton soft trunk bag ever, you guys? Oh my gosh, I love this bag. It holds quite a bit. I love this bag. I am obsessed. I actually wanted this bag for a couple of years, so this is my bag of the weekend. So I'm gonna get my keys out and just use my keys to break into this box and show you guys what Naughty Devin has sent me. And not only me, all of us in our little tribe. Devin, you shouldn't have done it, and you know it. When I tell you he's the sweetest human on the face of the earth, I mean it, okay? If I ever say something like that about Autumn Beckman, I don't mean it at all. So I already have an idea what it is. I don't know if I'm gonna pull it out upside down or not, okay? Bam. Oh my gosh. I knew, but until I see this box. Devin, why? Why did you do this? I've wanted a Brandon Blackwood bag forever. Okay, I love this brand. I love this brand. I've wanted something from this brand forever. I don't even know what to do here. Okay, so we're just gonna take the lid off. The receipt. I'm telling you, Devin, you have been a bad boy. Paperwork. Wow. Okay, so this is my very first Brandon Blackwood. It is a bag, you guys. I can feel it. I figured it was. Look at the inside of the box. It's a... Oh my goodness. Okay. The dust bag is a drawstring dust bag. And you pull it out of the dust bag and it's wrapped up in tissue paper. You guys. Did you guys see Winnie's unboxing? She was beside herself. Oh. Devin? You guys. Okay. This is the sweetest. Okay, I don't even know what to say. Devin, you definitely need a little spanky poo for what you've done, okay? I love it. You guys, I have wanted another denim bag. I had a Rebecca Minkoff and it was beautiful. I sold it to one of my friends here on YouTube. Hey, Josie. But I wanted another one and I love this style. Oh my gosh, this is an everyday. It's... I don't know how he knew, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so practical. I love it. I'm gonna pull all the paper out. Oh my gosh. Might have to compare this one with my Prada. Oh, look at the knot here. Look at that. Oh, the zipper's nice. Devin, thank you so much for this beautiful denim bag. Oh my goodness, I will use this all summer long. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take my stuff out of this bag and use this one for the weekend. I absolutely love it. I haven't seen this one. I have not. I've been looking at denim bags lately. How did you even know? Did somebody tell you? I don't even think I told anybody. Because I'm trying not to buy bags. And yet I get a bag. Mwah. I love you, Devin. You're awesome. You are an awesome person, you guys. He is the best. I'm going to link Devin's channel below. I want you guys, I want everybody here that's watching me, that is subscribed to me, to go over and I want you to subscribe to Devin do that for me as a huge favor. You won't regret it. He is the sweetest person on the face of the earth, and I'm not just saying that because, Devin, because you sent me this. It's because that's how I feel about you. I think that Autumn and Winnie and Gwenny and I have all kind of adopted you. I love this bag. This is very special to me. Very special indeed. Thank you so much, Devin. You shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. This company has so many beautiful bags and things, so check out the company. But you guys, I'm going to link Devin's channel, and I want everybody to subscribe to him. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. I think he's pretty close. So anyway, you guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. With my excitement, I forgot about the Autumn Beckman spin. Hot Mess Yota coming back for a late night Autumn Beckman spin. Let me fix my hair. I don't know about this. I should have washed it. Okay, so what is going on with the hair? Okay, just forget the hair. All right, guys, what else was I going to talk to you about? Oh, I wanted to talk to you about some of the unboxings that I did the other day. Number one, the Gucci's are not working out, you guys. So normally I find that Gucci shoes run large, like the sneakers and things, but these run very narrow, and I have fat little chubby feet. So I'm just gonna send them back, and I was thinking, do I just need to exchange for a size 8? Then I read some reviews. People say they go a whole size up, but I think they'd be too long for me. I'm going to try some on the next time I go into Gucci, but sadly, I don't think the Princetown loafers are going to work out for me. So I'm sending them back. And then the Longchamp bag that I unboxed, I gave it to my sister for Valentine's, and she was so excited. She has never had a Longchamp bag. So I don't know, I just wanted to give it to her. So she ended up with that. And I'm so happy that she's excited about it. I'm excited that my sister, she loved it. She said she's gonna put her writing books and her iPad and things like that and take it back and forth to work with her. So yeah, I just felt like giving it to her for Valentine's Day. She's my only sister. And also, while I'm thinking about Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. So this weekend, my plans are, today I'm picking up my granddaughters, and I'm gonna let them just pick out their own Valentine treat. So normally I fix them up a little, you know, surprise, but since I'm getting them today, we're just gonna go into Walmart and I'm gonna let them pick out some Valentine's treats, and we're gonna have them overnight. We're gonna have movie night and just have a really great time, Keith and I, with the girls. And then tomorrow, we don't really have any plans until Sunday. We're going to our favorite Greek restaurant in Chattanooga for Valentine's. We were gonna get reservations for a certain restaurant, but we waited too long about that. So anyway, that's my weekend plans. I'm excited. We don't ever do a lot for Valentine's. As a matter of fact, I seldom get roses or flowers or anything like that. That's why I was so excited that Forever Roses reached out to me with this beautiful bouquet. So that's my Valentine's. But we just don't make a big deal about Valentine's Day. We usually just, you know, go out to dinner or something like that, because you don't need a special day to show who you love. You don't need really a special day to show your husband or significant other that you love them, but it's just great spending time together. And also, I'm going to get some Valentine's cards, or let the girls pick out their own packs and let them make Valentine's for people in the family. So I thought we'd do something like that. We always paint and things. So I'm gonna have a fun weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I wanted to talk about my video schedule. I normally do videos on Wednesday and Saturday, and sometimes Wednesdays becomes a Thursday and Saturday becomes a Sunday. But I am uploading twice a week. And I'm going to try to throw in a few extra videos occasionally. I have a request to do a perfume video. You see right here on my dresser, those are my perfumes. So I'm going to talk about my perfume collection, what my favorite is, what I wear more, and try to describe them. I'll probably just read the notes off to you. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a perfume collection. I've also had, I get painting request, and I'll do that. I don't get a lot of views, but that's okay because I do it for you guys. I don't do it for the views. I do it because I get a request for it. So I'm starting on a painting that I'm doing for my pool house, and it's a seascape. I'm just looking at my bag, you guys. I just love it. How cute is this bag? Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Perfect. It would be perfect for traveling too, because you could just put it down in your bigger bag and then just have this cute little bag. So now we're gonna do the drawing for the first giveaway, okay? So let's go ahead and get to my computer and do that now. Okay guys, so I'm in here and I've got my laptop and Keith is at work, my trusty assistant. So I'm gonna try to do this myself, all right? So I have just pulled up the video with the key text word for the giveaway, which was BAM. And I enjoyed reading the way you guys use the word BAM. So funny. So here's the video. All right, this is the video right here. So I'm going to go up here and copy and paste, highlight it, Control C. All right, so that's the video that you guys use the word BAM. Now I'm going to the YouTube random picker here. Okay, so here is the random comment picker. I'm going to paste the YouTube link here. There we go. All right, now I'm going to fetch. And I'm going to, it says choose a filter word. I hope this is coming in. I'm going to choose a filtered word, keyword filter, right here. Okay. B-A-M. We've got the word. Continue. We have 55 comments. Now we're going to pick a winner. Good luck, everybody. All right. Yari Pap says, BAM, another awesome unboxing. That extra small Longchamp is adorable. Congratulations, Yari Pap. You are the winner of the Dress Up Your Purse Chunky Chain. Yay! We have a winner, Yari Pap. Okay, so all you have to do is message me, either email me or message me at YotaStyle Luxe on Instagram. Send me your information. I will very happily send you your prize, the chunky chain from Dress Up Your Purse. Thank you again, Dress Up Your Purse, for sending this lovely item. And you guys, we have more giveaways on the way. Congratulations, I'm so excited. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Mwah. Peace.